In this video, I will explain the main reasons you may have a bad breath. Even if you brush your teeth regularly, you may still have unpleasant bad breath and wonder about the root cause. I struggled with this issue and my acid reflux was quite bad. I had many cavities and realized I had bad breath at certain times even when brushing regularly. One of the root causes of bad breath can be acid reflux, indigestion, lack of stomach acid, and eating the wrong foods. If you pay attention, whenever you have acid reflux and indigestion, a white coating over the tongue is more visible. This is an indication of inadequate stomach acid and may also mean you have a bad breath. That's when using a tongue scraper is needed to remove the white coating of the tongue. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid leaks up into the esophagus and causes heartburn. The backward flow of undigested food, acid, and bile into the esophagus can also result in halitosis, which is the medical term for bad breath. The majority of halitosis cases are caused by oral health issues. However, in some cases, problems in other parts of the body, such as acid reflux, can cause halitosis. GERD is a chronic condition in which stomach acid refluxes into the esophagus, causing irritation. Acid reflux can cause bad breath because the acidic contents travel upward, leaving a lingering odor. Individuals with GERD frequently experience heartburn, regurgitation, and bad breath. When you have gastroesophageal reflux disease, undigested food and gastric acid flow back up into the esophagus, nasopharynx, and mouth, causing bad breath. Furthermore, when reflux gastric acid erodes the mouth and throat linings, odor-producing bacteria can grow. Bad breath is not always related to oral health. It could indicate a health issue such as GERD or diabetes. The reason for this is stomach acid is unpleasant odor and ability to enter the throat and oral cavity. When stomach acid enters the mouth, it produces a foul odor that can linger and be unappealing. So eating healthy and the right foods can minimize unwanted indigestion that sometimes can cause bad breath. In addition, brushing is not always enough. It is better to use a tongue scraper, floss, and have a regular teeth cleaning to avoid bad breath. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to know more about indigestion and acid reflux, you can watch these videos at the end. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.